Hi there, Sue Johnston here. One of these subscribers to my channel, Marty, has his own channel called Unboxing with Marty. And he showed how he unboxed and put together a stand that can be useful for iPad, MacBook, or Dell computer, whatever, and save space on your desk. And I have a writing desk. And I thought, that's such a neat idea. But I also have a bunch of wood, and I thought I could make one of those. And I mentioned that to Marty and thanked him for his video and said that it inspired me. And he said, I'd like to see that. So this is the easiest way for me to show it. So here's a bit about Marty and then what I created. My MacBook book stand. I like things that have a great function to them that help organize and keep things neat and in order. And so Marty unboxed a computer stand. Now it could be used for your computer, iPhone, book, whatever you choose to use it for. But in my case, I had been storing away my MacBook in a different place and had to pull it out every day. And I got thinking I could have a stand like this and keep it on my writing desk. And it's the kind of thing that can help me organize even if I move full time into an RV. So here is my prototype. I just took some wood that actually I purchased a bunch of wood very cheap from our local hardware store. And in it, there happened to be some tongue and groove pieces. So I put them together and eventually glued them together. But this was my initial trial at this. I just had them sort of stuck together. And then I measured out the distance that I would need for my MacBook or a few other things. And sure enough, it works. I just used some Gorilla Glue to keep the boards together. And then eventually I sanded it down because I like nice, smooth, rounded corners. And then I stained it. I gave two applications of the stain. The first one, you just sort of apply it liberally, and then you let it dry 24 hours. And then I took a fine sanding piece of sanding paper and sanded it down just to smooth it out. And then I give it a second coat. It didn't really need the second coat, but there were spots on the wood where the stain hadn't soaked in properly. So that's why I went back to it the second time. And again, let it dry another 24 hours. And then I distressed it a little bit. You see those sort of whitish lines on it? That's where I just distressed it a bit and gave it a bit of definition. And it just makes it look a little bit different. So my thanks to Marty, whose channel is Unboxing with Marty, and a few other things. Thanks for the inspiration. I really appreciated it. And it was fun watching your unboxing. And I got an idea. And this took me just a bit of time over a few days because there's the drying aspect, of course, of the glue and the sanding and the staining. So here it is. This is my new holder, and I'm very pleased with it. So I hope you like it, and maybe my channel and Marty's channel will inspire you to do something of your own, to have some fun and to create. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, unless you've already done that. Thumbs up, comment, and share.